Attention to detail is the hallmark of UBC Carpenters, and no one knows that better than the men and women trained for furniture install. We're going to meet them today on Mastering the Craft. From large corporations to elite college dorms, union carpenters and contractors show us what it takes to take an empty room like this and turn it into a fully furnished masterpiece. Our first stop is AIMM Installation in New Jersey, where Bill McCabe shows us how the process of furniture installation begins and why it takes skilled union labor to make it happen.
Hey Bill. Jeff, how you doing?
So furniture installers, this is the first thing that people see when they go out there, and this is what all starts, it all begins.
Yep.
So tell me a little bit about what we're going to see today.
Bulk of the work and the workers are out in the field, but we do the planning stage in here. We'll gather the furniture from different manufacturers in here, put together a schedule, and send it out to the job site to install it.
Well, I can't wait to see and learn all about it.
Well, let's take a walk. Hey, our first stop here, Jeff. This is part of the hotel installation we're involved with now. Each skid you see here is a different picture. We have to sort through and pull out the pictures that are required per room and go hang them. There you go, hang a picture. Well, these kind of pictures have security hardware on them. It's a specific hardware so people can't borrow the picture and take it home with them.
Like with this many portraits and things that you have, we're talking about a lot of rooms, hundreds and hundreds of rooms that have to be done.
There are hotels in Philadelphia, 20, 30 floors of furniture. A lot of times you get 1 week to do a floor. There's a lot of rooms, a lot of furniture. Because they're booking rooms based upon when we're going to complete. We can't tell them, never mind, we'll be done tomorrow.
So with the amount of materials you have here and all these projects going on, there must be a lot of other activity happening, trucks coming in and out. What can you show me with that?
I think we're unloading a truck right now. Want to take a look at it?
Sure. Wow, you guys really do have a fleet of trucks here.
Yeah, it's every day. Product coming in. Again, like I told you before, we then have to sort through it, combine it with other product from different manufacturers, and then send it out.
Our next stop is in Plainsboro, New Jersey, where the contractors from Hook Total Project Solutions furnish a modern pharmaceutical office space.
Jeff, howdy, Jesse. How you doing? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Thanks so much for having us. You know, when I come in from the outside of this building and I see the beauty of it and the size of it, I can only imagine what the logistical challenges are.
We had in excess of 40 tractor trailers.
Wow.
Starting on, I think we started December 10th.
And now you're working in an active building with people working and they're doing their jobs and you're trying to maneuver that furniture install stuff here to get done.
We take all the old furniture out, they core drill holes overnight, and then we bring the new furniture down starting the next day. So basically it's, like I said, 4 days, 5 days, complete turnaround, the people are back in.
So T, show me how this works.
Sure, so this up arrow right here rises the table.
Uh-huh.
And then we have the down arrow.
Uh-huh. Beautiful. That's amazing. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And Jeff, these are the pieces that we built in Nepod, and we just roll them up here and place them.
Awesome. Sometimes it takes more than one contractor to get a job done, but no matter who they're working with, union carpenters are one big team, and that is no more evident than here in Delaware, where Colonial Millwork and the Riff Group furnish 10 floors of office space. So you're working on 10 floors. Are you working every single floor at the same time? How does this work?
We actually been here since August. We started up on 13, the executive floor, and worked our way down. We have installation of top and bottom track, wall starts, the linear footage and hardware of the walls. And later we'll be setting some doors and then finally glass.
Okay, so there's a lot of teamwork going on.
There's a ton of teamwork. It's all about that. It's all about communication between the trades, the superintendents, your company, your office, everything. It's all communication.
So speaking of teamwork, the Riff Group is also here on site.
Correct.
What are some of the challenges, the communication and everything that goes into that?
In the end, we're competitors, but we're all part of the Brotherhood of Carpenters, so we work together to maintain that professionalism.
Union construction projects are generally very large, so it's not unusual to have multiple contractors on a job site. Why does it work so well? Because they have access to a trained workforce where safety, quality, and consistency are the standard.
The advantage to using a union contractor is that you're going to get highly trained individuals that have gone through 4 years of training at the Carpenters Apprenticeship School. We've developed a highly specialized crew for each part of the industry that we install.
Speaking of the Riff Group, they have 2 additional crews at Temple University in Philadelphia constructing state-of-the-art equipment at the brand new Charles Library. The the second crew pushes against a tight deadline installing furniture for an 18-floor dormitory. Today we're at Temple University, where check this out. They're going to furnish 18 dormitory floors. Let's go see it. From desks to beds and couches, 18 floors worth of dorm furniture is a monumental amount of work. Younger apprentices learn from seasoned members how to handle the challenges of meeting a tight deadline. It really is an exact science. We're here today in Center City, Philadelphia on the 27th floor of the Sierra building, where CPR furniture installers are finishing up a very unique project. What we're going to look at is over 50 rooms getting a new glass facelift. Let's go meet the team.
Hey Jeff, how are you?
Great, great. Thanks so much for having us.
No problem.
You know, I've been to 4 or 5 different locations, and this place is something else. I can't wait to learn more about it and hear what you're doing. What's happening?
So here we're doing a high wall installation. High wall is a completely different animal than office furniture itself, but that's where our carpentry background comes in. So you install a top track, a bottom track, and every individual piece of glass gets leveled within itself. And there's minimal room for error within a 16th. That's why this is so important, that you get the field measurements correct, you get your layout correct, and you begin your install in the right spot. So what do you think about the finished product?
It looks fantastic. This has just been a really unique experience for me. I can't thank you enough for having us.
Jeff, thanks for coming out.
You got it. Take care.
Take care.
If you were keeping count, we visited 5 contractors in 3 different states. We'd like to thank our contractors and carpenters for their time and for showing us the ins and outs of furniture install. We'd also like to thank you, the viewers, for joining us, and we'll see you next time on Mastering the Craft.